Hello friends. Parents have really requested me to look at this paper for the Kpsea. So we are going to start with the question 1. You are told that Jackson read the following number on a chalkboard. Now you are told to write the number in words. So the number is, you can see it. Just group them into 3. The first one has no name. The other one is called thousands. So this is 76,859. And that one comes to 76,800. That's what we are looking for. 76,800, and this is 90. So makes it wrong. 76,859. Then the correct answer becomes B. Number 2, a bakery sold this number of loaves of bread in a year. Calculate the total value. So total value, simply you're going to take the number, then replace the others with 0. So for this case it is 7, then we have 3 digits all in front of it. So this is 7,000. So 7,000, it is choice C. The next one here, you are told that a teacher wrote square root numbers on a chalkboard to form a pattern. So automatically this is a square root of 11. The other one is the square root of 12, 13, and the other one is 14. Therefore, the next pattern here, it is the square root of 15. So the square root of 15, we know it is 225. Then the correct answer there is supposed to be B. Now question 4, you are told that a lorry stops at a weighing scale and the reading was as follows. What is the number rounded off to the nearest thousands? So we have 8501. The nearest thousands, ones, tens, 100,000. You look at the next digit here, which is in the range of 5 and above. So we're going to add 1 on the other number to make 9, and the other ones are replaced with 0. The correct answer was D for question 4. There are 52 classrooms in a school. Each classroom has 36 learners. How many learners were in the school in total? So if one class has got 52, we're just going to multiply the 2 digits, and if you multiply, you'll have 1872 as the right answer. The next one here, you're told that the area, what is the area of the combined piece of leather? So we have got a triangle and a rectangle. So to find the area of a triangle, we are going to take length times width, which is 40 times 20. And also this part, we have a triangle, and to find the area of a triangle, it's a half times base times height. This one becomes the base, and the other one is the height. So we're going to take a half times 12 times 16. So 40 times 20, we have 800. Then here we are going to have 96. So if I add the combination of the two, that is 800 plus 96, which is 896 centimeters square for the area. That is the answer of question 6. Question 7, you are told during a race, the recording time of 3 runners are 3. These 3 here. Arrange the decimal numbers in descending. Descending means from big to small. So the bigger one we are going to look at, because we have the 9.5 in all the cases, but the third digit, it is the one that differs. So we have 785. Therefore the bigger one is 7. So we need this one as the first one. The first one is this one, then the second one here, then the third one. Therefore we are looking for 9.58, which is this one, continuing like that in a decreasing order. Descending means decreasing. So the correct answer there, it is A. The next one, we are told that a woman group had these goats in a ranch. They shared the goats equally. So this is just a basic division. We are going to divide these ones, and they want to know how many are remaining. So to find the remainder, we are going to say that 24 divided by 1055. I'm going to use long divisions because 24 cannot go into 10, but it can divide 105 into some time into 4 times. So we are going to write there 4 times 24, which is 96. You subtract the 2, 105 minus 96, which is 9. You bring this down, So that 95 divided by 24, that is 3, and 3 times 24, we have 72. You subtract the 2, 95 minus the answer, which is 23, which is now remaining. You're told the number of the remaining, so the remaining was 23, giving the correct answer for number 8 as B. The next part, question 9, you are told that a tailor had a piece of cloth measuring 17 meters, 50 centimeters. He cut the cloth into 5 equal pieces. What was the length of each piece in centimeters? So we're going to convert this one into centimeters. First, you know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 17 meters will be times 100. So we have 1,700. Then we add the 50 because it is also in the unit of centimeter. So we have 1750. Then this one, we are now supposed to divide it into 5 equal parts. So if you divide 1750 into 5 equal parts, we'll have 350. Question 10, you are told that Ali and Baraza shared a loaf. Ali ate 2 over 5, while Baraza ate a quarter, 1 over 4 of the bread. What fraction remained? So total, let us find the total amount that they ate. So 2 over 5 plus 1 over 4, we find the LCM, which is 20. 5 goes here 4 times. 4 times 2, that is 8, plus this one goes here 5 times, so 5 times 1, it is 5. Therefore, the total number of fraction 8, it is 8 plus 5, which is 13 over 20. So the remaining one, for this case, because they've already eaten 13 out of 20, the remaining automatically becomes the leftover, which is 7. Or you can just say 20 over 20 minus 13 over 20, then you'll get 7 over 20 because the base are the same. Then the question 11, you're told that Sheila had 0.2 kg of tea in a cupboard. She gave that one of the tea to make tea. So we have been given here a fraction and even the answer. Work out the percentage. So the percentage, you just multiply by 100. So this one will go 1 time, then 3 times 10, it is 30. So it is 30%. A salesman travels 2 over 5 of a journey by rail, a third by matatu, and 4 over 15 of the journey by foot. What fraction of the journey was traveled by the rail and matatu? So for the rail, we have 2 over 5, and for the matatu, we have a third. Again, we find the LCM, which is 15. This one goes here 3 times, so 6 plus 5, which is 11 over 15. So that is the fraction that traveled by matatu and rail. A jewelry measures a diameter of 20 millimeters. So 20 millimeters, What's the diameter in centimeter? We know that 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. Yeah, if you follow King Herod did mathematics during Christmas morning. So we have the meters and centimeter, also that part. So we are concentrating on that area. So we have the centimeter and millimeters. Centimeter and millimeter is found under this part. So it's just 10. Therefore, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. So we are going to divide this one by 10. 20 divided by 10, which is 2. And that is the right answer for that. Question 14. You are told that a cupboard measures 30, 15, and 40. So we are going to have the volume, which is 30 times 15 times 40. If you work out that, it is 18,000. Then we are supposed to convert this. How many liters? Into liters. So to convert into liters, you are going to divide it by 1,000. Then we have our answer as D. Then the 15, a cereal factory has these tons.